What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tuturuan ko kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the like, the subscribe button, and let's make some cocktails guys. So for today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng Cosmopolitan. Kailangan nating baso guys is cocktail glass or coupe glass. Pero usually guys, ang Cosmopolitan siniserve naman siya without ice. So kailangan natin ng cocktail glass. Pero depende naman yun sa inyo guys kung gusto nyo gumamit lang ng rock glass o kayong highball and then lagyan nyo ng yelo. Nasa preference nyo naman yung guys, kayo na lang bahala. And let's put some ice to chill the glass. You want your glass to be ice and cold para pag nilagay nyo yung cocktail dyan, ma-maintain niya yung lamig ng cocktail. At itong cocktail na to guys is shaken, so kakailangan natin ng shaker. And first ingredient is sugar syrup guys. Tip guys, pag gagawa kayo ng cocktail, unahin nyo yung mga pinakamurang ingredient at hulihin nyo yung alcohol. Para in case magkamali kayo sa mga unang ingredients na nilagay nyo, at least hindi nyo pa nalalagay yung alcohol sa huli. Lagay natin is half ounce or 15 ml. And next is lime juice guys, freshly squeezed lime. Alam nyo ba guys, nakikita nyo di ba pag sa mga bartenders o kahit sa kitchen, bago nila i-squeeze yung lime is parang pinipress muna nila at niro-roll. Sabi nila para daw makatulong yun makapagdagdag ng juice guys. Pero base naman sa libro, mga nabasa ko, iba't ibang klaseng experiment yung ginawa. Nilagay sa rep, ni-roll, nilagay sa room temperature, ni-roll. Almost pare-parehas lang naman yun yung measurement na nakukuha ng lime juice nila. At also guys, pag maghiwa kayo ng lime, tanggalin nyo yung part na kung saan nakalagay yung lime sa stem. Kasi may part na medyo tangy siya or sour. Gusto nyo siyang tanggalin guys at minsan madumi kasi yun guys. Hiwain natin yung lime. Kailangan natin guys is 15 ml or half ounce. And next is juice. For juice guys, for standard ng Cosmopolitan, ang ginagamit na juice dito guys is cranberry juice. Pero wala akong makitang cranberry juice. Ang nakuha ko lang is mixed berry juice. So, ibig sabihin, halo-halong berry to guys. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga yung standard na Cosmopolitan, cranberry juice guys. Pwede namang fresh, yung nasa box, or pwede rin yung nasa powder guys. Depende na lang yun guys kung ano yung meron sa inyo. Lagay natin guys is 1 ounce or 1.5 ounce. And last is, nilalagay natin is alcohol. Itong alcohol na to guys is Thai brand. Ang pangalan nito is Coupe. So sa atin guys, marami namang mga mura lang na vodka guys. Pero mga pinakasikat, mga Absolute, Stolinaya, Grey Goose, ayun yung mga premium brands na guys. Pero meron naman sa atin yung mga mumurahin lang katulad ng Smirnoff. Hindi ko sure guys, pero check nyo na lang guys, kahit anong vodka pwede naman gamitin dito guys. Lalagay natin is 1.5 ounce or 45 ml. All ingredients are in the shaker guys. Let's put some ice and let's shake our cocktail guys. Tapan nyo yung yellow sa baso guys. And double strain nyo guys. Kung may fine strainer kayo guys, i-double strain nyo. Especially kung meron kayong fresh fruit or lime sa cocktail. Para ma-strain niya yung mga pulp o kaya yung mga buto. And ice na maliliit na nabasag. And for garnish guys, is lalagyan natin ng lime wheel. O kahit anong garnish, pwede na dito guys. Kung meron kayong berry or kahit anong klaseng berry, ilagay nyo. And lagay natin sa cocktail guys. There you go guys. Cosmopolitan. Tingnan natin. Very good. And also guys, additional lang, kung meron kayong 666 sa bahay o orange liquor, pwede nyo siyang idagdag sa cocktail. Sa standard recipe, meron talaga siya nung guys, kaso wala kasi tayong 666. There you go guys. Sana po may natutunan kayo. And if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video guys. Cheers!